Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the new monogramming maker that they have on Cricut Design Space. It's so cool. I don't know if any of you had a chance to see it yet. Monogram Maker is on version 7.9 for Cricut Design Space. And I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through some of it, and we can check it out together. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open Cricut Design Space and click on New. And if you see on the left-hand side, right after Upload, right underneath Upload, it says Monogram. So you'll click on that. And as you can see, I've kind of already been playing around in it. It's pretty cool. You can do names, you can do initials. And let me go ahead and show you some stuff. Let's get rid of the Y. Okay, so you can do initials, and it's pretty cool. There's different fonts that you can choose from. They have modern, they have elegant, and handwritten, vintage, and they also have some borders that you can do. Let's go ahead and do elegant. And they have different borders that you can choose. And let's say that I wanted to go ahead and use this one. I would just click Add to Canvas. And let's go ahead and take this off in the back so you can see better. Okay, so if you're not happy with the color and you want to change it, you would just click over here and the color pops up and you can change the color. And you can do that for each individual area of the monogramming. You can do any colors you guys want, and actually the first color looked a lot better than that. But anyway, let's go back to monogramming. And they also, you can do names and everything like that. There's operation type, and they have cut, which you would use cut if you're going to do iron-on or vinyl. And they also have cut and draw, which is really cool. And same thing, you can move it around, the different fonts. And what it does is with this, if you go ahead and add to canvas, you'll see that here it'll do it in pen. So that is really cool, especially if you want to do some personalized stationery or letters, note cards. That's pretty cool. And they also have, let's go back to any thematic stuff. They have botanical, and let's just kind of go through some of these that you can do. They have some, that one's super cute. I like that. It's just different stuff that you guys can do. That's really cute. They have decorative as well, and let's kind of go through just different stuff. And you remember, you can always change the color if you don't like it. Aw. This one's cute. And they have different occasions: graduation, engagement, wedding, birthdays, teacher appreciation. I mean, really, these are so cute. You can do anything. They have a whole bunch of different stuff in there. And remember, you can switch the font. And they have interest, nursing, animals, sewing. This is so cute. This is so cute, the little flamingo. And the sewing is so cute. And then they also have sports. It's really cute. Let's get rid of that font. I don't like that font. So there's just so much you can do with this, I think. And anyway, I just wanted to kind of jump on and show this to you if you guys haven't seen it. I do know that it is for Cricut Access members. So if you're not an Access member, you'll still have that monogram. You'll still be able to get into it and play around with it. But if you do, go ahead, you can add it to the canvas as well. But once you go to make it, you'll be charged for it, and it'll probably just tell you how much it is. I know that Cricut Design Space is offering a 30-day trial for free, and I'll stick the link below, because that's always a good way to check it out too, and then you're not committed. And as long as you cancel before the 30 days is up, you won't be charged. So that's pretty cool, you guys. But I just wanted to go ahead and show this to you. It's cool. You can do vinyl, iron-on, print and cut. You can make stencils. There's just so much that you can do. So just wanted to show you guys. And Anyways, thanks for watching, and if you don't already subscribe and you like this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Talk to you later. Bye, you guys.